Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove tags from your posts or pictures uploaded to your Instagram site. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. But first you should open the website on your device, and after that select the post to which you have tagged users, other users or people. And then you should tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of your post. Tap on the edit button, which is the second option, and here you can find the tags that you have added to your picture, and if you want to get rid of them, all you have to do is just simply tapping on the X button next to it. And as you can see, it has been removed, so tap on the done button in the upper right corner of this section and then it will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.